Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section scroll down to find accounts and backup. Now let's tap on this backup data option in the Google Drive section. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to the Google account option. So let's tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not... Oh, no. Okay, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill the rest. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so you're able to use 15 GB of the account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want. So just tap on turn on. And here we've got another backup section, so you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Right here we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, right here. And as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.